Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have JBL JR460NC wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not working because they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or anything like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now if it doesn't work, or if you just decide you want to get a new set of headphones, I'll put a link in the description to a nice set of headphones at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this reset is if for whatever reason you want to delete all the pairing history, maybe you want to set it up on a new phone or something. We can clear all the previous information out so we can set these up like new. It's really easy to do. We just need to make sure that the headphones are on, so if they're not on, we can just hit the power button to turn them on. And then we're just going to come in and press and hold the power and the play button simultaneously for more than 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, they will automatically turn off and then automatically boot back up into the factory default settings, and we can just set them up like new.